Hello guys, today I got the new AirPods Pro. I'm curious about these, so I ordered one for myself. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. I ordered it through Aliexpress, and I'm gonna put the link down on the description if you want to grab one for yourself. So let's take a look at this AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro. It's a copy, and it comes with the retail box of AirPods Pro. If you want to get one for yourself, just mention that you are audience of Matinic, and the seller would know what to send, and it's gonna send you this with a retail box. And let's take a look at the actual AirPods Pro. So I got this one within 2 weeks, upon ordering it through the same seller. So it comes with designed by Apple in California, the user's guide. Alright, so yeah, this one looks like like the real AirPods Pro, because usually the one that comes with the user's guide, it's more like in Chinese, but this one has like the English user's guide as well. So there you have it. I'm excited to look at the actual AirPods Pro and see if that is really looks like the same. So of course, it comes with the charging USB-C charging cable. Let me open this one to show you guys. Okay, so it comes with the the Lightning to USB cable for charging, and it comes with the ear, what do you call this? The earbuds replacement. So it comes with small, and probably comes with the medium, and the one that is on the AirPods Pro is probably the large. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one right here. I'm gonna put it back. Let's take a look at the AirPods Pro itself. So similar to usual unboxing. So it comes with a plastic. So let's take it out. And there you have it, guys. There's an engraving inside, if you can see it, and also designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And let's take a look at the headset itself. Alright guys, so this one looks like the real AirPods, sort of like the original one. So this one too are like like paint, not really the sensor. So I'm gonna try fitting in and see how it feels. Okay guys, so this is a quick demo, and I'm gonna explain the the feature of these AirPods Pro. So guys, if you're looking for one that is a I would say a good copy, this is the one. I'm using the same seller that I've been using when buying my AirPods. Okay, so this AirPods comes with a GPS positioning, which is the same thing with my previous AirPods. So of course when you go to the find my iPhone, it's gonna show up AirPods Pro. I just wanna show you guys real quick on that. And this one has the pop-up animation, okay. And also you can change the Bluetooth name. I'm gonna show you that in a second. Alright, so there, you can definitely change the name there. The noise control function, I do find it's not actually working or functioning, because this is a function of the original AirPods Pro. With the left and the right you can assign, but really you can only use Siri function for that, just this one, but it doesn't really work. And this one has the automatic ear detection, which also automatically transfer the audio to the AirPods once you open, or at least open this and put it in your ear. Microphone function, yeah, that is automatic. By the way guys, this one has a better audio for the mic. I'm gonna put a sample audio clip using this AirPods Pro mic. This is a test of the microphone for the AirPods Pro. Test 1 2 1 2 testing. Audio test for AirPods Pro. And this one has a better upgraded chipset, so of course it's specified for like 12 meters range. And for the sound quality, I would say this one has a better sound quality compared to the regular AirPods Super Copy, because of the the ear tips rubber that makes like the sound more isolated and focused to your ear. Just to mention, this one doesn't have the true noise cancelling function, so that's the function of the original. And that's about it. That's the function. And if you have a question regarding these AirPods Pro, just put your comments down below. If you like this video, please thumbs up or like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and it helps my channel to grow. And to all my subscribers, once again, thank you very much for your support. I appreciate it. Yeah, then share this video, and see you in my next video. Peace.